Thank you, Chanbasaraj, for bringing the context of technology, especially in terms of how it can aid in management decision making. And now I'll be just shooting a few questions to our speakers, our panelists. The first thing is I want to ask one question on the governance module especially. See, there is a lot of changes which has taken place in the attitude of the government, especially when it comes to the question of PSUs. So we are seeing that more of governance is given a lot of importance now. And there are a lot of compliance related things which has been now merged with the governance module. So I would like to know from Anil Jarat ji, so how this transformation has been taken care of in PSUs, when earlier we were more of government related reporting to now moving towards stakeholder reporting. So how this transformation has taken place in PSUs, and how do you see the changes, and where the management role has now got more wider? So how do you see this transformation?
Yeah, the role of management accountant has shifted clearly from compliance-centric reporting to value-centric, what do you call it, you are telling storytelling.
Stakeholders.
Because earlier, the main focus was on your government formats, audit compliances, budget, MOU, ministry compliances. So now this has shifted to the shareholders. What is required now from the management accountant? They should ensure and address to wider ecosystem of shareholders like investor, regulators, ESG evaluators, and society at large. It means now from the past data, we have to come to the forward-looking data. It should be available. I mean, we should work on forward-looking data rather than the past data. And number two, we should integrate two things, financial and non-financial metrics, like ESG, productivity, and sustainability. And the third one is, we should involve for strategic decision making rather than simply historical reporting. So in a sense, a accountant is evolving towards business partner, and they have the capability now to show or involve how they can influence the decision making rather than simply reporting what has happened earlier. So that is required, or that has changed from the earlier governance now to the stakeholder ecosystem.
That's a great answer. So it's